This is the first screen after I sign in. Where do I even start?
Start at the top strip, because it answers one question: is the platform actually working for me right now? Everything below it is detail. On the left is the page name and one line telling you what it shows. Next to it, this chip says Live Global, fires, that is the price feed the whole platform is using at this moment, and which broker it is coming from.
And this pill that says the market is closed?
That is the exchange session, read from the platform, not from your computer's clock. When it says closed, live prices will not move and a live order will be refused by the exchange, not by us. An open terminal on the right is the shortcut to the trading screen. The dashboard is where you understand your account, the terminal is where you act.
There are 5 little labels here: broker, feed, plan, auto trade, engine.
This is the health of your setup in one line. Broker says which account your orders would go to. Here it reads paper, meaning practice money. If you had connected a real demat, it would name that broker instead. Feed is where prices come from. Even in paper trading, the prices are real and live, only the money is simulated. That distinction matters. Your practice is against the real market.
Plan says active. That is my subscription?
Yes, and it is not decoration. If the plan lapses, trading is paused until you renew, so this chip is worth a glance every day. It also turns amber when your plan is close to expiry. Auto trade tells you how many trade types the engine is allowed to trade for you. Here it says off, so nothing is automated yet. An engine says how often the AI runs a full cycle, every 35 minutes on this account.
So if something is not working, I look here first.
Exactly. 9 out of 10 confusions, no prices, no trades, nothing firing, are answered by these 5 chips.
There is a getting started card saying 2 of 4 done.
It is a checklist in the order that actually works. Step 1, activate a plan. Step 2, split your capital, decide how much money each trade type may use. Step 3, turn on auto trade in paper. Step 4, watch the decision feed.
Why is watching the feed a step? Nothing happens there.
Because that is where trust is built. The feed shows every trade the engine took and every one it refused, with the reason. Turning automation on without ever reading it is how people end up not trusting their own system. There is also an optional 5th line: connect your broker. It is marked optional because paper trading needs no broker at all. You only need it for real money.
And once I finish it,
it collapses into a small resume setup pill, so it stops taking space. You can also open the video guide right from this card.
This paper and live switch, what exactly changes when I press it?
Which account the whole page is reporting on. Paper is simulated capital that the platform gives you. Live reads your connected DMAT real holdings, real funds, real profit, and loss. The two are never mixed. A paper trade can never touch your DMAT, and a live position never shows up in your paper numbers. That separation is deliberate.
So the 5 lakh I see here is not my money.
Correct. It is practice capital, and this line under the switch says so in plain words. Treat it seriously anyway. The whole point is to build habits that survive real money.
Four big numbers. They look similar and I mix them up.
They answer 4 different questions. Portfolio value is what the account is worth right now, cash plus whatever your open trades are currently valued at. Underneath it tells you how much is invested and how many trades are open. Day P&L is only today. It resets every morning. The small percentage under it is that same figure against yesterday's closing value, so you can tell a big rupee number on a big account from a real move.
And unrealized versus realized?
Unrealized is profit that exists only on screen. The trade is still open, so the number keeps changing with every tick, and it can disappear. Realized is booked. The trade is closed, the money is settled, that number cannot change anymore. Beginners celebrate unrealized profit and get hurt. Watch realized, that is the only number the bank agrees with.
Right now my unrealized is 0.
Because nothing is open. With no open trade there is nothing to fluctuate, so day P&L equals realized P&L. When you hold something, these two will separate.